Hi everyone and welcome back to CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 28, we'll introduce the drawing version conversion feature in CADReader. Let's get started. There are two different scenarios when converting drawing versions depending on whether the drawing contains external references. First, let's look at drawing without external references. Open the drawing in CADReader, then click Member, External Reference Manager. As you can see, this drawing does not contain any external references, so we can directly proceed with version conversion. Next, click Member, Convert Drawing Version. After conversion, CADReader will automatically add the word Convert to the file name. In the Save as Type field, you can choose the target drawing version. For example, we'll convert the file to the 2010 version and save it. Next, let's look at the second scenario, a drawing that contains external references. Open another drawing and go to Member, External Reference Manager. Here you can see the drawing includes external references. Before converting the version, we first need to bind these references into the drawing. Click Bind All and save. Once the binding process is complete, open the newly saved drawing and return to External Reference Manager. Now you'll see that drawing no longer contains external references, which means we can directly perform the version conversion. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.